Thank you, jurors. Part 2 to Mr. Howe's closing. The state wants Mr. Crowder to be living at Mr. Turner's because then they can go in and search and scoop up everything and then come in here and say this is where the man lived. So he must be involved with these other people. Mr. Howe's statement about similar transaction. Similar transaction is nothing but a method for being able to get in evidence in a trial like we had. Every bit of garbage that these people claim they heard somebody else tell them, the normal criminal process, it's called hearsay. It's not credible. The law doesn't favor it because it's not reliable. Because if I come up here and say Richard Reed told me so, and so yesterday the law says no, you bring in Richard Reed in here to tell us what he told you yesterday. Well, we ain't taking your word for it. You may be lying or you may not be. But if we hear it from Richard Reed's mouth, we can believe it. It's going to be more credible. A lie is possible anytime, but if we hear it from his mouth, we at least have an indicia of reality. Maria Cintron was the bait. That's what he says. Maria Cintron to serve 10 years, but she's only going to serve 5 years for entrapping a man to his death. She didn't testify against Turner because that was her boyfriend, but she was more than willing to testify against Crowder. Now, the interesting thing is that she says that my client, Mr. Crowder, comes into the bedroom at some point with a gun in his hand and said, if Marvin doesn't come back, I want to shoot Cleo. This is in the bedroom. Remember, this is in the bedroom with the other state witness, Miss Randolph. She's in the bedroom with her. She didn't hear that? Why wouldn't she hear it? Because it never happened. Because that is just a little embellishment Miss Cintron thought she would throw in because she got such a good deal. I don't know. You will have to assess her testimony. Remember, folks, they said they were all in the same room because it was a one-bedroom apartment. But when Mr. Tant came in, he said that they were on the couch. Was he lying? We don't know. This is the situation when you go with hearsay and non-reliable witnesses that have something to gain from this. Then we have Detective Baumgartner. Why would he come in here and lie? He would naturally have to lie because all the testimony was a bunch of thieves and confessed murderers. Because this trial had to have something put in it.